In front of me is Realme 16 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. First of all, you need to open Recorder app that's located in Tools folder of your Realme. This one. Then hit agree and continue to use it. And tap on those three dots at the top right corner to access settings. Over here, manage those two options, recording mode. Pick one of those by tapping on the best one for you, and recording file format. After making those changes, go back, click on the same three dots, and decide if you want to use recorder in receiver mode or speaker one. Now finally, to start recording, use red button at the bottom. Then hit allow. And when you're ready, tap on flag icon on the left to add bookmarks. To pause or unpause your recording, use this button at the bottom right one. To discard it instantly, use this arrow at the top left corner and hit don't save. And to end it and save it, tap on middle button. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. Now my favorite part. Tap on it and check out all of those editing options. Let's start with this icon of 4 lines and a flag. By tapping on it, you can see all of your bookmarks and manage them. You can also tap on flag icon on the right to add bookmarks while listening. Skip 3 seconds each way. Select Transcribe if you wanna see your text. Select AI Summary to summarize your recording. And AI Clear Voice to enable or disable it. When you're finished with all of those options, check out this one to share your recording. And those 3 dots at the top right corner to check out all of those options, like trim audio if you want to edit it. For example, I want to delete this part, so I have to hit remove. And then save at the top right corner. If you wanna, you can also hold your recording here and manage all of those options at the bottom, like rename or delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!